Hey y'all, welcome back to Legit Mom Life. Today I'm taking y'all along for a day in the life video, and I'm also sharing some house updates. I shared over on Instagram a couple days ago that we were going to be painting the kids' rooms, and I was having a hard time deciding on Brinley's paint color. We finally decided. Brian just got home from Home Depot with the paint, so we have a busy day. We're going to be painting, and then I'll share those new house updates with y'all. Here's everything that Brian just brought home from Home Depot. These are the paints that we chose for each kid's room. This is pink sea salt, so this is going to be the color that goes on Bryn's wall. It's hard to tell there. And then this one is midnight blue. Really dark, muted kind of a blue. But this is the Bare Ultra paint that has scuff defense, so if the kids throw stuff at the wall, it's not going to scuff it, which is what we need. Here's Camden's room, and that's the swatch over there. It's like a really muted dark navy blue, so we're going to be doing this entire wall right here when you walk into his room behind his bed. But I really like the color. I think it'll be really nice on his wall. And then for Brinley's room, we're just going to be doing this wall on this side here, and I think we're going to leave that for now. We may end up painting it later, but just this wall.
I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
Okay, so after 2 coats of paint, this is what it's looking like. This paint does require 2 full coats because it's a scuff resistant paint. So if anything's thrown at the wall, it's supposed to just come off with soap and water. But I really love the color. I think it looks really pretty, and it's a good complementary color to her bed. So I can't wait to see when it's all done. We'll get curtains up. Do you like it, Bryn?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cameron has another loose tooth. This one's on the top.
It's the third tooth.
Good. Open. How's that feel?
Good.
Remember, just tap me if it hurts.
Okay.
Right?
We're just saying something. I can't even watch.
Yeah, you can just
Just
keep
sit
on
and wiggle
wiggling.
it for a while.
Yeah, but I gotta use it.
You want to try? Oh, okay.
I have to use
Let me
this
see.
design.
Smile. Ooh. We're definitely not going to get to Camden's room today. That's going to have to wait until next weekend, which is right before Christmas. So it's going to be extra chaotic. But I'm just sitting here in my office and working on editing a video that's actually going to go up tomorrow. So I still have a lot to do for that.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to die. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you.
It's now 4 o'clock. The kids are getting hungry, and we didn't even eat much for lunch at all. So they wanted Freebird, so that's what I'm going to get.
Holding in a bag full of hurts and these.
So I have a couple of new home updates I wanted to share with y'all. And we put up these curtains in our dining area and then along our living room wall. And I really love the way they turned out, and it was actually pretty affordable. So I can link the curtains and the rods down below if you're interested. But these are just like a cream white, and they have black striping all the way down. And then I love these little pullbacks to just tie in with kind of like our cabinet pulls and our media center over there. It kind of just brings it all together. But I'm so excited. I really love the way the curtains have turned out. Obviously our house is a mess right now, you guys, because we've just been so busy with the painting today, so we have stuff everywhere. So this week I'm going to be doing a Christmas clean with me, and I'm thinking I'll do like a Christmas house tour as well. But let me show you this bench that we just got put together as well. This one has been back ordered for a few months, and it finally came back in stock, and I was so excited because I've literally been waiting on this bench for months. So I really like this here. This is just in our entryway, and then obviously I'm going to be getting some artwork above it on the wall to kind of tie it all in, maybe some baskets down here. But this is actually a lot better quality than I thought it would be, and was pretty affordable as well, so I can link that down below as well if you're interested. Brian's still in here touching up. How's it going?
I'm almost done. Just doing the edges.
Oh yeah, that looks way better. The texture on these walls are a lot thicker than what our other house was, so getting the nice clean lines on the edging was kind of challenging. So now Brian has our whole house paint, which is this, I think it's agreeable gray, and just touching up on all of those lines. But I love it, it looks really good.
I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky, oh no, like I'm sudden but unsteady, oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you.
Come see your room.
How's it look?
Open.
I love it.
You like it? You like the pretty walls? What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you can, maybe Santa Claus will get you some, he'll bring you some stuff for your room. You can have fun in here, huh?
What do you think, Bryn?
Thank you.
Would that be cool? Santa brought you some stuff for your room?
I'm gonna get my purse.
Well, let us get everything cleaned up in here, because we still have
What, Cam?
paint over here. We got to get cleaned up. What are you doing in here?
Watching the girl thing.
You're watching a little girl show.
It's on YouTube.
It's on YouTube. And then what are you doing? Are you doing makeup while you watch? Are you doing your hair? I love it. I love you.
Love you.
You love your new room?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you doing a shimmy? Our elf was naughty last night, and he grabbed the kids, I don't know what this game is called, but you flush it and water squirts out, and whoever gets sprayed loses, I guess. But he was naughty and had to go potty. The kids loved it.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
We just got both kids in bed, and I have a lot more editing to do for tomorrow's video, but I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.